Hello friends, welcome to Price Nvidia. So the stock which I wanted to cover in today's video, the name of the stock is Just Dial. Before I start the technical analysis of the stock, I would like to tell you something about the life of this stock. This stock was a darling stock of all the market participants, and it was trading at a very good premium in the gray market, and once it got listed, it became 3x in no time. That means the price of the stock went up by 300% in no time. And after that, this company faced a very tough time and the price kept on going down. It went tumbling down, down, and down. And then the stock consolidated in a range for almost 9 years. And now the stock is looking interesting. I have done the fundamental and technical analysis of the stock. So, yes, this stock is looking good. So, let's try to analyze this stock on a technical basis. Fundamentally, I won't be analyzing it because it will make the video very long. So let's just analyze the stock technically, but you can be assured that uh, the stock has been fundamentally analyzed as well by me. So guys, this is the listing of the stock. The stock got listed at around 584 rupees and it went all the way up to 1859 rupees. So from 500 something to 1800 something, the stock went up by 300%. How do we know that? If you multiply 580 by 3, it comes very close to 1859. So the price went up by 300%. And then what do we see here? We see some shooting stars here. And mind you, this chart is a monthly chart. So a shooting star on a monthly chart carries a lot of weight. And before the shooting star happened, we see here as a bearish engulfing. So all the smart investors in the stock, they left the stock right here. But the stock did not go down after this. It retested this level again. Again, it faced the resistance. There were shooting stars and the price came tumbling down in this downward channel. So once the price came down in this downward channel, then what do we see? We see this happened in 2016. The price went into this trading range. So from 2016 till 2023, the price has been trading in a range. And in this range, the upper end of this range is 809 and the lower end of the range is 319. So what do we see here? See, the price tried to break this range here, bearish engulfing, and the price came down. Then there was a consolidation. Again, the price went up. Look at this candle. This was the biggest candle. And this is a Marubozu candle. I've told this thing before also. Whenever a Marubozu candle is formed at the resistance, it's always a trap. So here the trap was there set and the price came all the way down. Again, we see the same trap here. Here there is a red Marubozu candle and this red candle is bigger than the previous candles. It's forming at the support. So whenever a red Marubozu candle is formed at the support or at a resistance, that's always a trap. So again, the price did not go down. It went again up. So what happened here? We see that again we see the shooting star formation, which indicates there was a weakness. Price broke this 809 level but could not sustain. This is a shooting star on a monthly chart, so it carries a lot of weight. Price went down. Now what were we expecting? We were expecting that price will come again down this here. But the price did not come here. Instead, the price consolidated in this range. Price consolidated here and there was a very nice consolidation in this time. And mind you, at that time, the markets were going in a red phase. The markets were very weak, but this stock was consolidating very, very, very nicely. And then the price again went down. Again, we saw a shooting star, but this shooting star did not get activated because price did not fall much. And look at this candle, this month candle. This month candle has closed above previous months 1, 2, 3, 4. If you compare this blue candle with the last 4 red candles, the price has closed above these last 4 candles. So this price has broken the 4 months range. So that's something which you have to understand. This blue candle has broken the range of last 4 months because these 4 candles belong to last 4 months and this blue candle is this month's candle. So this month candle has actually broken the range. So there's something good happening in the stock. And why did the stock go like this? Why did the stock break the range here? Because the results were good. A stock derives its value from the company. If the company is doing well, the stock will do well. If the company is not doing well, stock will not do well. So if I have analyzed the annual report of the company, I have checked the previous results and this was the time when the results were good. So the price went up. And in this time, the results were not bad, but the stock was consolidating, right? and now the price has broken this last 4-month range. It has gone up. So this is the monthly chart analysis of the stock. Now let's straight away go to the daily chart analysis. If I look at the daily chart now look at this. This is one of my favorite patterns. I have not seen anybody making this expanding triangle in whole of Twitter. I'm not claiming that I'm the only one who knows it. A lot of people know it, but they don't somehow use this pattern. So if you see here again, the price consolidated in this expanding triangle. Now this is the important resistance here, 796, and this resistance was broken, but look at this. Price came crashing down. It touched again this trend line here, and then a double bottom formation here. This bottom and this bottom. This bottom is slightly higher than this bottom, so I can say this is higher high double bottom which is formed here. So this higher high double bottom, and then the price goes up again. We see here, what do we see? The price broke this resistance, it went up, but this bearish candle formed here, and this after that, what do we see? The price is going again up and up and up. Now the question is, should we be interested in the stock or not? Well, the fundamentals analysis, the quantitative analysis, the qualitative analysis, the annual report, everything tells me that this company is doing well now, right? So there are no negative triggers in the company. But technically, we should have the proof of that stock is actually going up. Now we see this expanding triangle formation, everything is good, and the price is actually looking good. It has consolidated here, the volatility has contracted, but should we buy at this point or not? Now we have all the proofs, but I would still need one more proof from the stock before I get into the stock. The last proof that I want is that I want the stock to close above this level, because you see this is the level which has challenged the stock so many times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times the stock could not cross this level. So I would be it will be a very early decision if I get into the stock just like that. What I'll do, I'll probably wait for this stock to go above this resistance of 818. I want this 818 to be conquered. If this 818 gets conquered in the coming days, whenever it happens, I would be interested in the stock. So guys, this is my analysis of the stock. I hope you enjoyed my analysis. This is just to tell you that I have started a weekly video series. It's a paid one. It's for 1500 rupees quarterly basis, which means it translates into 500 rupees per month. So you can avail that. There are a lot of interesting things. A concentrated view of the market would be there. Other than that, I'm also starting a TECHNO FUNDA workshop wherein I'll be covering in detail all the technicals and all the fundamental concepts related to stocks. And I can assure you that workshop would be the last step in your journey towards financial freedom. So guys, this is all from my desk. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much. Please share it, like it, and comment it if you find it useful. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead and a nice weekend ahead as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.